Okay, listen to me right now. You guys need to stop liking the videos on this channel. You need to stop subscribing to this channel, or I'm gonna have a complete freaking meltdown as Top Ticker Trades keeps insulting me. You ape morons have the wrong impression of me and everything that I've done for you, stupid imbeciles. Everything I do is for the retail ape investors, so just stop it right now.
What is going on, Ape Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. We're so happy and pleased to have you. We've got some good news to share with you today. Yes, it's about AMC, and yes, my sister is here. By the way, if you want to go sub to her channel, you can go do so by looking in the description below and finding a link to her channel, and doing so. Anyhow, we've got a lot to discuss today. We're going to try to make it very quick because, your time's important, right? So's mine, and I got to get the hell out of here. So today we're going to talk about what's going to happen tomorrow, which is very exciting for AMC and very exciting for me indeed. Ellen Kopakan, or is it Ellen Kopakan? I don't know how to pronounce her name, but she starts tomorrow. She's going to be working for us. She's going to be working for me because I am an AMC shareholder. Who in the hell is she? Well, she was an executive for Pepsi, for the little Frito-Lay branch or whatever you want to call it. She also worked for Hostess. She was an executive there. Now she's going to be in charge of the freaking popcorn business at AMC. Is that what you wanted to hear? Well, that's what I wanted to hear. Have you seen what she looks like? She is cute as a button, which makes me very excited because I know her being cute. Yes, I did shave. Why did I shave? Because she starts tomorrow, and I need to introduce myself to her as an owner of the company. I need to introduce myself to her and let her know that I'm the freaking boss. You know what I mean? So anyhow, guys, listen. She starts tomorrow. It's going to be great. It's going to be wonderful because she's going to raise the bottom line and help us a little bit with the fundamentals of the stock. That's only what I've been saying for about the last year or so. Maybe not that long, but for at least several freaking months. Okay? That's going to be very exciting for us because when the fundamentals of AMC stock rise, well, those shorts are going to get burned. And speaking of the god dang shorts, didn't want to cuss. Listen, so we know that short interest has been rising, and what else has been going on? Well, it seems that maybe the shorts have been being trapped because the stock went below $20, well below $20, and it stayed there for a little bit. And I know that there's a lot of stuff going on in the stock market right now, but what in the hell is going on with AMC stock? It's not dipping as much as the broader market, but the shorts are still piling in. They've been piling in. So what in the hell do you think that means? It means they're getting trapped. It means they're screwed. It means that our positions are my position. I don't know about yours. Mine hasn't changed. I'm still holding on to my shares. I know eventually what the hell's going to happen is that they're going to have to pay us. Ken Griffin's getting upset. He's crying about it to his ex-wife and his current wife. Does he have one? I don't know. I'm not in that man's business like that, y'all. Actually, yes, I am. He's crying to his future wife, his ex-wife, and his current wife, and he's paying $1 million a month in child support. That's got to hurt. Ouch. Now, my sister here, she was recently in a wreck, in case y'all haven't known about that, in case you missed that video and you were wondering where the hell she's been at. She was in a really bad wreck in my truck, y'all, in my fishing truck. She kind of totaled it, I think. At least I hadn't been driving it lately. I'm going to let her tell you about that in just a second. But first, we need to talk about what in the hell's been going on in the market. So here's the thing. The market, and this is all you need to know because I'm going to try to keep it simple and short for all of you apes, because I know you're smooth-brained. So the market has been kind of coming down because the Russia and Ukraine tensions, they're still there. They're still building up. The tension's building up, and people are getting mad and upset, and that's happening. Okay, we've got inflation concerns still happening. Okay, and we know that the Fed's about to raise interest rates. That sucks. Sucks for everybody, but not for us because, we've already been punished. The stock has been punished. I can see that by looking at my portfolio, but have I sold a single share? Well, hell no, because I'm a brave young man. And that's why I'm still holding my shares, because hey, I don't give a crap about what happens in the short term, because I've been preaching to you and telling you what's going to happen, like, you know, down the road in the long term. Okay, we are going to get filthy freaking rich. Why in the hell does nobody believe me? Why are you selling out of your shares if that's what you're doing? If that's what you're doing, why are you still watching my freaking AMC videos? So you know we love AMC. We love AMC stock. I know a bunch of you bastards are going to laugh at me because I shaved, and you're going to say, hey, look, it's Babyface on my screen right now. He no longer has a beard and all that kind of stuff. You know what? You can save that for later, because I don't care what you say about my face. I don't care if you say it's smooth. All I care about is AMC stock. And we're like at 1907 right now in the after hours. And we're there for a reason, okay? We're there because AMC is different from the other stocks that are dropping drastically. Fastly fell like 30-something% today. It dropped like over 30%. But Amy, she didn't. Why do you think that is? It's because we're stronger. Because we, the apes, are holding on to our shares, and we're making it work one way or another. Anyhow, that was my quick update. I'm going to let my sister tell you a little bit more about her wreck and why she's not on her channel recording right now. Can you tell them a little bit about that?
Yeah, I was in a wreck on the interstate. I was almost to a stop, and then I got hit at full speed. My whole right side of my body hurts, and it's hard to sleep at night. It's hard to get up because the little sleep that I do get, it's not very good. So that's my story.
When are you going to go back to recording full time again?
Probably one more week, because I'm starting to feel a little bit better.
Yeah, because she didn't want to take medications. She didn't want to take the pain pills because she's too tough for all that. And she said, I'm going to stick it out. I'm going to go with this back pain and face pain. And, wait, am I putting words in your mouth? Or?
No, neck pain, like the whole right side. My knee even hurts, like my elbow, my arm.
We used to thought we'd update y'all. But if you didn't want the update, I mean, you didn't have to ask for it. But somebody asked in my comments, and I had to tell y'all. Anyhow, that's it. That's all we got. And I'm sorry if not everybody here is pleased with the update, but there's not really much left to report on. I mean, you all know what the hell's going on in the stock market. You all know what in the hell is going on with AMC. And I'm sorry I didn't have no fancy pants explanation as into why in the hell we're still, you know, sitting around that $19 range, but that's a good thing. And yeah, we're still winning. Shorts still haven't covered. Shorts are still increasing their short positions, and other shorts are getting trapped. And you know what? It's just a matter of time before we win and we take Ken Griffin's billions. Well, it's our billions. We're going to take them back. But we'll see y'all in the next video because y'all are getting anxious trying to get off of here. So we'll see y'all later. Out.